You're gonna love the 2020 Mazda CX-30. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an upscale SUV that's just the right size, the Mazda CX-30. This crossover offers more room than a subcompact and prioritizes design excellence, starting with its comfortable, quiet cabin and infotainment system. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, remote engine start, backup camera, lane keeping assist, premium sound system, satellite radio, keyless start, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control. Feel a new sense of excitement when you take the wheel of this upscale yet surprisingly affordable CX-30. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.